I love these titanium cutting boards that were gifted to me to try. It is a set of 3, so they are 3 different sizes, which I like for all different uses. They're double-sided and 100% titanium. They were very shiny and smooth and very thin. You could store them anywhere. So easy to cut food on, and the perfect size for any meal. Dishwasher safe too.